Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately. Check that you run Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education because Home lacks BitLocker. Once confirmed, enable TPM in your PC's BIOS. This secures the encryption keys. If TPM isn't present, prepare a USB startup key so Windows can boot. Make sure to back up critical files and create a restore point to avoid data loss. Next, open Control Panel, go to BitLocker Drive Encryption, and click Turn on BitLocker for the target drive to begin the encryption wizard. Once the wizard opens, choose your authentication. TPM only for convenience or TPM plus PIN for stronger protection. Use a USB key if TPM is unavailable. You must save the recovery key, store it in your Microsoft account, to a USB or print it and keep it safe, because it's the fallback if you lose access. Then select Encryption Scope. Choose full drive for an existing device, or used space only for new PCs to speed up the process. Finally, pick AES 256-bit if you need maximum security. Start the BitLocker system check when prompted. This verifies your configuration so Windows can restart safely. Do that now. After reboot, BitLocker will begin encrypting. Monitor progress in Control Panel and be patient, since large drives take longer. Once encryption finishes, confirm you can sign in normally and make a secure copy of the recovery key. If the PC won't boot or prompts for a recovery key, use that key immediately to unlock the drive. Then review BIOS TPM settings and USB boot order to troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.